Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Hi.
Okay.
Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today, let's get some work done on the Honda Rebel. So today, I got some more stuff from Burly Brand. Let's go put it on the bike. Okay, so what I ended up ordering from Burly Brand is their side covers. That's supposed to go on the bike. Also comes with some instructions, and you can see that there's like 2 little bolts in there as well, some hardware. Alright, looks pretty simple, but let's get started. For this install, all you'll need is a hex set, a Phillips screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth. Step 1 is to remove the seat. In order to do that, put your key in the ignition, push it in, and then turn it, and the seat should come right off. Next thing you're going to do is remove bolt 1 and bolt 2 with a Phillips screwdriver, and that should remove the cover. So the only thing holding in the side cover was that one screw. So after you remove it, the next thing you're going to want to do is remove the side cover. And how you do that is you push it this way, and then it should come right off. There we go. So when installing the Burly Brand side covers, the instructions recommend that you use a microfiber cloth to kind of protect the frame of the bike, as this is made, instead of plastic like the stock ones, this is made of aluminum, and it's anodized, so you don't want scratches. So let's go ahead and put these on. Alright, once you got that side cover on, let's put the seat back on and see how it looks. Okay, so here's what the side cover looks like next to the other Burly Brand products on my Rebel, and oh my god, I think it looks great.
especially next to the Burly Brand radiator guard and the foot pegs. But what do you guys think out there in YouTube land? Would you guys get this side cover for your Rebel? Let me know in the comments below. I know a lot of you guys out there that watched my last video said that, Burly Brand, their product's a little overpriced. And yeah, it can be, but, right now, Rebels, they're dime a dozen. So that's even more reason for you to make sure your bike is kind of personalized to you. Anyways, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, as it would help me out tremendously. Well, I appreciate you guys watching my video. Until next time.